Buffaloes are robust, herbivorous mammals known for their humped shoulders and large, curving horns. Water buffalo are domesticated in Asia for milk and labor, while American bison and African buffalo are wild species. They graze on grasses and exhibit social behavior, often forming herds in their natural habitats. Rabbits are herbivorous mammals that consume a diet primarily consisting of grasses, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables. Their efficient digestive system allows them to extract nutrients from plant cellulose. Ensuring a balanced diet is essential for their health and well-being, as they are prone to dental issues.
Cows are domesticated bovine mammals kept for various purposes, including milk, meat, and leather. They have a complex four-chambered stomach that aids in digesting cellulose from plants. Often found in herds, cows play a significant role in agriculture and are a source of various dairy products and beef.
Ducks are waterfowl characterized by webbed feet and distinctive bills. They inhabit a variety of aquatic environments, both freshwater and saltwater, and are omnivorous, consuming aquatic plants, insects, and small aquatic creatures. Ducks are known
Hens are domesticated birds, commonly kept for their eggs and meat. They belong to the species Gallus domesticus. Female chickens are called hens, while males are roosters. Hens are omnivores, eating grains, seeds, insects, and small invertebrates. They are known for their clucking and can be found in various breeds and colors. Sheep are domesticated ruminant mammals raised for their wool, meat, and milk. They have a herbivorous diet, grazing on grasses and other vegetation. Sheep are social animals that often form flocks and are known for their gentle disposition. Dogs are domesticated canines, bred for various roles like companionship, working, and guarding. They display a wide range of breeds with diverse sizes, temperaments, and appearances. Known for their loyalty and versatility, dogs have been cherished as pets and working animals for thousands of years. Horses are large, herbivorous mammals used for transportation, work, sports, and companionship. They come in various breeds with distinct characteristics. Known for their grace and power, horses have played a vital role in human history and continue to be valued animals worldwide.